Group. I will explain the game. Our products, 8 products are photos of. Madam will not repeat. So please pay attention and listen. Please. Our products, photographs, xerox copies are sticked there only. They are 8 products. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 means plus. Okay? And 4 corners. So it became 8 products are there. Photographs of products are there. We will start music. All of you will be in the center. When they stop the music, wherever place you want to go, you go and stand there.
Okay.
Then one of us who will announce one product. Whoever is there in that product, they will be out.